Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday, Tasha, the Polished Panther. This is an Instagram collab hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s. And today, our theme was tie-dye. All over it, y'all. So I'm starting with the St. Mary Go-Go Only plate. I'm going to use this image right here. And we're going to stamp them out with some bases loaded lacquer shut out. And I've got my Maniology scraper, and I've got several stampers here. AliExpress, Conad, Maniology, and we're just going to pop. I'm going to do 5 of these. I'm going to only show me really working on one. This video is already going to be long enough, I guarantee. So there we go. I'm cleaning my plate with pure acetone, and I am going to probably show me popping these out. But as far as filling them in, I fill them all in exactly the same. And I'm going to, like I'll do the yellow and then I'll do that on all the stampers and then, work my way through my colors. So cleaning and bumping and stamping and flip-flopping here. So I will have a list of all the Instagram participants listed down in the description box down below. If you're, into that, if you go to Instagram, you can check all those out. I'll have the hashtag and list of all the other ladies. I'll be using all mixed up lacquers, Oh My God Gillard, as well as Pank. And here we go. And this is the one, it's blue. And then we've got this orange. It's Orangelicious Baby. And I've got my What's Up Nails Mermaid Zero detail brush out today. And here we go. We're going to just get busy with it. So I do go through all the stampers while I have a color out on my mat, but I'm just going to bust up the video a little bit and just show you, one at a time, or just show you one of the stamper filling in the image. They're all going to be done the same. And I was really excited about this prompt, this theme, because I love tie-dye. Excuse me, way back in the day, not too awful far way back, but, later back in the day, I used to only wear tie-dye. Everything was tie-dye. Pastel tie-dyes, neons. I mean, if it wasn't tie-dye, I wasn't wearing it. But I still wear it. I just don't wear it all, but it's not exclusive anymore. So there we go. We're filling those in. I'm loving how these are looking. I've decided to add camera freak out, which is exactly what it was doing to this one here. I decided I had enough room to add another color, so we added the green to it. And I really was excited to do this. I've known the Polished Panther here on Instagram and YouTube for a very, very long time, and so I was really excited to be able to help celebrate her birthday. Here we go with the Wet n Wild Clear. I'm just going to go over all of these, kind of make them more solid. That way when I go to transfer them, all of the image pops through and not just, where it's thicker with the colors. Not that it really mattered because I'm doing a white base for this one. And here we go with the Shutout again. I'm going to be painting that as my base color. I've already got my base coat on, and today I'm using Nailtique's Formula 2. And we're trying to get all the way over to the edge of that without making a mess. There we go, getting pretty close. I love this Shutout polish. It is totally a one-coater. Her white and her black is, they stamped like a dream, as you saw. And water marble. And look at this one coat wonder here. I'm going to top this with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so that we can put our decals on. I love this. Beautiful, beautiful white manicure. Love it. So many possibilities. Look at that. Scrumptious, easy to work with. Alrighty. So here we go with the fun part. I'll be using Super Dry as my tacky base today. I always tell you, you don't have to use a sticky base, a special polish. This is super dry. I get it at the Dollar Tree for $1. Just put a thin layer of that on, and then we're going right in. I'm not waiting. I'm jumping right in with my dried decal. Line that up. Take my little finger and mush it down. Make it stick to that super dry that's... I'm going to take a base. I'm going to take my little pinchy scissors, thread nipper scissors, and trim around the edge just a little bit so I don't have as much to clean up. And now I've got my cuticle tool out, and I'm going to bust up that edge of the decal. And I know you guys always think I'm just really going at it. Number one, this video is all sped up. It's always done at like 1.25, so it's a little faster than real time. And I know it looks like I'm really digging at it, but I promise y'all would see blood if I was really going after it. You know what I'm saying? It's not like sharp. But if you don't feel comfortable doing it this way, do it with your cleanup brush and some nail polish remover or acetone. Whatever works for you. I'm just showing you how I did it. You know, I show y'all everything. And now I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and my acetone and clean up around this decal. And I did stop and clean up each one as I did them. Just kind of keep up with myself. And I do tap across the end on the flat side of that brush. On the ends, I always do that. It's become habit. Helps make sure that that ends up smooth so it doesn't end up catching in my hair. And then I got to go in up underneath. And then tap across the edge again. There we go. Loving it so far. So we're going to top everything off with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I'm going to let that dry down completely, and then I'm going to use my Posh top coat. Seal this rascal in. I really loved how this one turned out, but as always, I want to hear from you. I want to hear what you think about this one. Did it remind you of tie-dye, or was I off the mark? Here's my swatch photo, and that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.